Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show off a 2024 Tundra 3rd Gen Limited package. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start out with a Limited with the off-road package. The reason we're starting with the Limited with the off-road package is because it's going to automatically do some chrome delete. So for example, the chrome delete, or the Hogan sash as we call it, that goes between the grille and the hood is going to be black. Also the door handles, of course, the wheels are going to be black. The handle that goes behind the tailgate is going to be black. So we're starting already with a vehicle that just doesn't have any chrome on it, so it's going to look better. And of course, the off-road package is going to give you the rear locker and the crawl controls and all that other fun stuff too. To get a little more rugged, we did a 3-inch TRD lift. And then we did some 295 Nito Ridge Grappler tires, which are a 31-inch size, but they really match up nicely with the 3-inch lift. We went ahead and replaced the grille with a TRD Pro grill, or a Heritage grill. The Heritage grill says the word Toyota as opposed to the Toyota emblem, but more importantly, it gives you a cutout for a 20-inch light bar. The TRD Pros do come with a 20-inch light bar. We like the Baja SA a lot better for mainly two reasons. One, it's a lot brighter than the factory TRD Pro light bar, but also we can switch it with an OEM style switch located right here to the left of the steering column, and it's going to look a little more integrated than having the large TRD Pro switch, which has limited functionality. This is the iForce Max, so this is the hybrid model. It's going to get you around 20 miles per gallon. But more importantly, another 100 pound-feet of torque and extra horsepower as well. We did add the Toyota OEM Predator steps right here for easy in and out access to the vehicle. Thanks for watching the video. If you're interested in this vehicle, it is currently for sale, and the subject of this video is going to be for sale 3rd Gen Tundra with a lift on it. Once we sell it, we'll change it to the word sold. But if you have any interest in this vehicle, please feel free to reach out. If you like the video, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future Tundra content.